Baby cubes are 100% certified organic, made with only fruit and veg, a blend of frozen goodness made into healthy, natural cubes that are nutritious. Check out our baby cubes recipes. Guys, take a look at our Asian pork ball recipe. Hi, I'm Karis from Lickalix and Baby Cubes. Take your organic mince and garlic, and we've also got some Chinese 5-spice. If your little one likes strong flavours, add in some extra 5-spice and some extra garlic. Most importantly, to get more veggies, we've got some melted organic baby cubes. We're using our organic carrot, butternut squash and sweet potato cubes. Use your eggs to bind the mixture, and you're then, once it's all mixed, going to use handfuls of semolina and breadcrumbs. Use as much or as little as you need, as long as the mixture isn't too wet or too dry, and you can start to form the pork balls. So if you've seen my other recipes, you will know I'm all about batch cooking. We are all so busy, so it's all about saving time, guys. So make these, put them in the freezer, put them in a Ziploc bag when they're all frozen, and use them whenever you need. Come on over to the cooker, fry them lightly, and then I butterfly them in the middle so they cook quicker, evenly, and cool down quicker for my little one as well. Serve with noodles and veggies. Try it, let me know how you get on. Enjoy! Guys, did you like this video? Check out our other healthy and delicious recipes made with our baby cubes. We love hearing from you, so if you have any questions or recommendations, please write in the comment section below. Follow us on our social media. Bye!